This is gonna be hella fun because it's out in the rain, and we're just gonna do this, y'all. Did you know that the best time to go and visit a property is actually on a rainy day? While you may think that you want to reschedule because it's gloomy and cold, resist the urge. And I'm gonna tell you why. All right, let's be honest. I'm gonna go back in my car because, who wants to do all of this in the rain? Nobody. Hi, y'all. Welcome to Living in the Bay Area. I'm Heather Alarab, and I'm here to go and drop wisdom about checking out properties on a rainy day. All right, reason number 1, assessing the drainage systems. Heavy rain can reveal potential issues with the home's drainage system, which can cause problems to the foundation and to the basement. By checking out a home on a rainy day, you can see if these systems are functioning properly. If there are areas around the property that are pooling water, noting gutters that may be blocked, if a gutter is dumping right next to the foundation, or if a sump pump is working properly. This is the time to assess the home and make note of that. Reason number 2, checking for leaks. Water is one of the most destructive issues for a homeowner and creates issues that can often be missed. Rainy days can expose leaks in the roof, the ceiling, in the basement that may not be visible on a sunny day. So when you're previewing a home, check for leaks. Assess moisture conditions. Do you smell mildew? These can help you identify potential issues in the overall condition of a property. Reason number 3, identifying properties in low-lying areas. So rainy days can also reveal the flood zones listed in NHD reports. If you're interested in a property that is in those low-lying areas, in those flood zones, by previewing it on a rainy day, you can assess the risk of the flooding and water damage. All right, reason number 4, the opportunity to see how comfortable a property is with bad weather. So with bad weather, a property may seem less appealing, but it's also an opportunity to see how comfortable and cozy the property will be in less than ideal conditions. You can evaluate the insulation, heating, and other features that affect the indoor environment. And finally, reason number 5, less competition. Rainy days can discourage other potential buyers from seeing a property, especially on weekends during open house times, which means less competition for you. This can give you more time to explore the property, ask questions to the listing agent, and visualize yourself living in a home without feeling rushed or pressured. All right, so what do you all think? Did I miss anything? Let me know. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And happy house hunting. Man, this is really hard. Vlogging. Is it a vlog or is it informative? Also, it's really cold. And this is post-gym, baby. This is post-gym, so this is what you're gonna get. I got inspired by the rain.